Just a quick video on installing and hold downs for your louvers. Somebody was asking about what 3M tape to use, and 3M tape is almost all the same. But the thing is, they do need to be sealed off from the weather still. So it's really simple to do. You tape off the areas right around the mounts. And then you just take clear silicone and a bunch of paper towels and tape around where you don't want it. Squirt a little bit on, run your finger around it to make a little fillet, whatever you want to call it, around the edges. And then let it just sit for a few minutes, and then peel your tape up really carefully. That seals these guys in, and most likely they'll never come off. So I've already done all of these guys. It's been a few minutes, so I'll be pulling the tape in just a second. But that's how you seal these guys off so they don't come off. And that's the story.